Mumbai Traffic Police is planning to adopt a new measure to control the unnecessary noise at the traffic signals. Whilst in November and December they had set up a rigid traffic light system to tackle the problems of reckless honkers. It resets the red traffic signal every time the sound of the car horns exceeds 85 decibels. The first area where the system is going to be installed is Hajeli Square.
I think roads in Mumbai are really bad and people will honk because of the construction taking place all over Mumbai. It won't make any sense because इतनी सी गली होती है and ऊपर से if you place two taxis and one bike, honk मारेगा यार. That doesn't make any sense and it will obviously increase whatever level they have set. And I don't think so. If there's no one guiding it or looking over it, I don't think this is gonna work out.
The Mumbai Traffic Police Commissioner Madhukar Pandey said, honking not only causes the noise pollution but also has an adverse effect on the health of a person. It hurts eardrums, increases heart rate and causes stress. Further, by this measure they aim to create better road discipline and ensure a honkless, noise-free and stress-free travel on Mumbai roads.